Hello MacroDroid users, welcome all of you on YouTube channel. So today I am going to show you how to implement the UI interaction, how to use the UI interaction. So first, if you want to assign a UI interaction in MacroDroid, you have to use the coordinates bar. I enabled it from the developer options. If you want to enable it, so go to settings, then settings, go to about phone section. In the about phone section, tap on the version of your mobile phone repeatedly 7 times. So it will show pop-up that you are a developer now. So in my case I am already a developer so no need to again developer. So after that, go to the additional settings. In additional settings, scroll down and go to the developer options. In developer options, if the developer options are not enabled automatically, in my case it is automatically enabled. So if your developer options is not enabled automatically, enable it manually. So now go to the input section. So scroll down, here is the input section, and we have to enable the pointer location, show touch coordinates. So I am enabling it, and now disabling the touch coordinates bar vanishes. So when I enable it, the bar is appears. So what this coordinates bar does, when we click at any point on the screen, it shows the x and y coordinates of that point. That's it. So if you click here and here, it shows that x and y coordinates here. So what we want to do, we need this x and y coordinates to put in your UI interaction. So I am going to MacroDroid. So now what I am doing, so I have to make this flow with using UI interaction. First I want to go to settings, then scroll up, then select on sound and vibrations, and then increase media volume. I want to perform these 4 actions using MacroDroid. Go to settings. Action can be performed by using launch application action. Scroll up action will be performed by using a UI interaction, and this two also we are implementing by using a UI interaction. So I am going to the settings. Now this is my settings, and now here I want to scroll from bottom to top and click on this sound and vibration. So after clicking this sound and vibration, I want to increase the volume using the gestures. So I am going to MacroDroid, then add macro, and I am giving some name. Let's UI example. Now I give the name to the macro. Now let's move to the trigger. I am selecting any one of the trigger. In my case I am selecting an empty trigger. You can use any of the trigger as your choice. For example, I am using a empty trigger. Now I want to add action to launch settings app. So I am going to search launch application. It prompts that requires the draw overlay, so I am giving a overlays permission. Getting back again, launch application. It saying to select option, select application. I am selecting. So now searching settings. Now I have to select here force new, because what happens if we choose this exclude from recent, it will excludes the application from the recents, means it will not launch the application from the home screen, it will launch the application from where we left that application in the recents. So I am using force new, so it will launch the fresh application. So my one action is added. Now I want to scroll up and click on sound and vibrations. So scrolling up is done with the help of UI interaction. So now it prompts me that to turn on accessibility services. Now I am turning accessibility services. Now accessibility services successfully given to the MacroDroid. So I am again selecting UI interaction. Now here a lot of options are there: click, long click, copy, cut, paste, clear selection, gesture. So here I am using a gesture because I want to scroll up in the settings, so I am using gesture. So it is showing me the screen resolution 1080x2400. It is my mobile device screen resolution. It may be different for different mobiles, depends on your mobile phone. And here is the start X, start Y, end X, end Y, duration, and this tick box. So what is this and how to get the coordinates of start X, start Y, end X, and end Y. Now I am going to a plain page of application to show you how to get these coordinates. So let's move. Now look the tip of the cursor. I am clicking on the side and dragging here. So as I am proceeding to the right side, the X coordinates deflects more and Y coordinates very slightly deflecting. So this is our X and this is our Y. Okay, now my screen coordinates are 1080 and 2400, means at this point is 00 point. When I am clicking this, the X coordinate will be 0, look here, and Y coordinate is 0. Now I am dragging my mouse to the right bottom corner. The coordinates of the right bottom corner must be matched to my screen resolution, which is 1080 to the 2400. Now X is showing 1079, which is nearly equal to 1080, and Y is showing 2399 and obviously which is nearly equal to the 2400. At this point my coordinates are 00 and these points my coordinates are 1080 and 2400. Now I am going back to check the flowchart. So I want to scroll up in the settings. So I am going to settings. I want to scroll up from here to here. Now in my case, X is not deflecting so much, so I am assigning a constant coordinate to the X. So this is my X from left to right, and this is my Y from top to bottom. So my right and left should be fixed, and my Y means up and down should be variable. So I am giving the half, means this is 0 to 1080, means the half of 1080 is 540. So I am noting it 540, and I want to vary only Y. So from here I want to start the gesture, and here is the coordinates of Y are 2074. So I am noting it 2074, and I want to scroll up to point here. Now the coordinate of Y is 574. I am not getting the coordinates in float format, so I am neglecting the 0.7. Now my X is fixed, so my X is half of this screen. From here to here is 1080, so I am getting as 540 as X. So now here my start and end X, here from start and end X is fixed. I am only varying the Y. So I am going to MacroDroid to put those value of X and Y coordinates. So my starting X is 540, ending X is also 540, and only my Y is varying from bottom position to the top position, which is from 2074 to 574. I am not changing the duration, I am keeping it as it is. So I am ticking this box, so when gesture is complete, the next action will be performed. So click OK. Now we completed our two actions, but the problem with these actions are we can't trust on these two actions, because what happens if MacroDroid sends signal to the system to launch settings, the system requires some time to launch setting and set up a user interface of settings app. So it requires some time before the system settings the UI of the settings app. The MacroDroid sends signal to perform this action. But what happened, the settings app is not yet completely set up on the screen, and MacroDroid is sending to signal to the perform this gesture. So it may be or may not be performed accurately by the system. So I am adding the delay between these two actions. So I am to add the action above and giving the delay. So the delay action is wait before next action. So I am giving the delay of 1 second. So okay. So now I have added the delay of 1 second. So let's go to our flowchart. So now after scrolling up, I want to click on the sound and vibrations using UI interaction. So I am now going to add another action of UI interaction. So I can perform a clicking on the sound and vibration using click option. So I am selecting this. So now I can use text content X and Y, identify in app action. So I am using text content and entering the text as it is given in the settings app, sound and vibration. S is capital, V is small, and AND. S is capital, put the exact text because it is a case sensitive. Sound and vibrations and OK. Now I am also adding the delay between these two. So I am copying and pasting action above this. So now our actions up to here is OK. So I am checking the actions up till now is ready to use or not. So I am going to save changes. Now my changes saved. Now I am performing the actions using the test actions. I am testing the actions. So it launched my settings app. So it just launched my settings app and not scrolling up. Why this happens? So I am adding this. So I am going to system log, check this, click item with text failed, could not detect current UI root node, please try rebooting your device. This problem arises when we are not giving UI interaction accessibility services to the MacroDroid. So I am going to settings, then searching accessibility. In accessibility, downloaded services, and here MacroDroid UI interaction provided by MacroDroid is turned off. That's why it is not performing any UI interaction action. So I am turning it on and allowing it. Now go back to our MacroDroid. Now again go to system logs. Now check this UI interaction accessibility service connected. So our UI interaction accessibility service is successfully connected. Now I can test the macro. So go to here and test actions. It launched my settings and scrolling up, but it not clicking on this sound and vibration. Why? I need to add. So it is scrolling up from here to here in a straight line because our because our x is fixed and we are varying our y. So now go to the action. Why it not clicked on sound and vibrations? So look, I am typing sound and vibrations. Here is sound and vibration, so it is not detecting that, and I am correcting it. So configure, click text content. Now it is okay. So I am clicking OK. Now I am testing the actions. Test actions. So now our sound and vibration menu opens. So the scrolling up action is performed successfully. Now I want to scroll this area like this. So what I can do now, here my Y up and down is fixed here, and only I am varying the X. So I am detecting the coordinates. Now here my X is 117 and now my Y is fixed, so Y 2157. Now my Y is fixed and I am varying the X. Now my X is 997. X is 997. So I am going to MacroDroid and adding one more action of UI interaction, selecting gesture. My X is now varying but Y is fixed, so I am giving Y is 2157 again, and Y is 2157. My starting X is 117 and ending X is 997. Now OK. Again I want to add 1 second delay between this, so I am copying this action and pasting above this. So up to this my macro is completed. So I am testing the actions. So either I can test the trigger or I can test action. So I am testing the trigger. So it launches settings, scrolling up, clicked on vibration and increased my volume. Look, this line is straight because our Y is fixed and X is varying. It increased my volume to this level. So in this way you can implement the gestures using the UI interaction services. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and comment. Thank you.